If you want to learn how to draw this surfing taco, stick around. Are you ready for some distance learning cartooning? I am ready. Cool. Sammy Surf here. We're going to draw a taco step by step. I will draw on the board here, and then you will draw right on your piece of paper. Let's start by drawing the eyes of our taco in the center, on the left, and then on the right. Ready? Cool. Next up, we are going to draw the pupils in the eye. A circle on the left, and then a circle on the right. Ready? Cool! Now we're going to draw the taco shell. I'm going to do a hard shell taco. A curved line on the left, and then a curved line on the right. Ready? Cool! Next, we're going to draw the bottom of the shell from the left, going towards the right. We're going to give this taco a mouth and a nose. So let's draw the nose, a letter C underneath the eyes, and that's the nose. Do you nose the way to San Jose? Let's give our taco some expression, a happy face, because we're happy because we're drawing cartoons step by step. For distance learning, draw letter U. Let's add a little bit of detail. We're going to draw a line on the left and then a line on the right of our happy face. I know a lot of you like tacos. I like tacos every day. Taco Tuesday, Taco Monday, Taco Wednesday. Let's draw our taco ingredients, kind of zig, zaggedy, and zoogity lines on the left and then on the right. You could put carne asada, you could put in chicken, you could put in potatoes, making a veggie taco. Oh yeah! Let's add some detail on the taco shell because it has a little bit of texture. It's made out of corn. Oh yeah, totally cool. We're gonna give our taco some arms. So let's draw the arms going up on the left and then on the right. Those are parallel lines. Ready? Cool. Now we're going to draw the fingers. We're going to draw 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go all the way on the other side. Some rounded lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Cool. Now let's draw the legs at the bottom. Curved lines on the left, curved lines on the right for the left leg and the right leg. Ready? Cool. Now we're going to draw the feet. Don't get yourself in a toe jam because we're not drawing the toes all right because we don't want to call a tow truck. You get it? Oh yeah. Now we're gonna make this taco surfing, all right? So we're gonna draw a curved line from the left all the way towards the right. Stop, lift your pen or pencil, and then connect. Oh yeah! Now let's draw the fin at the bottom of the surfboard. A letter V. Ridicule! We're gonna make our taco talking, so let's draw a small letter U underneath the mouth. Ridicule! I always like to write speech bubbles or captions to make it look like our cartoon is talking. So I'm gonna write tacos, T-A-C-O-S with an exclamation mark. Oh yeah! Always write the words first or word and then put the speech bubble around. We're gonna draw an oval going around. It could be kind of like a marshmallow as well. And then a letter V. So it looks like your taco is talking. Now we're gonna draw a wave at the bottom. Now, normally you don't write on top of a wave, but in cartoon land you do. Make it splashing a little bit. Ridicule! Before I'm finished drawing a cartoon, I like to add action lines. Can everyone say action lines? Ridicule. 2 curved lines on the left by the hand and on the right behind the surfboard and on the sides of the taco. Did you have fun drawing this taco? I did. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Distance learning cartooning on its Capo Toon time. Ridicule! Remember, cartoons are simple and silly. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.